आपको लग रहा होगा कि नेशनल अवार्ड के बाद हमारा एटीट्यूड बदल जाएगा, हम सवाल पूछना बंद कर देंगे और बिक जाएंगे।
Ashoka the Great, how great he was, how he converted to Buddhism after witnessing the cruelty of Kalinga War. What if I tell you it's all a big lie?
There is a remote village in Malappuram in Kerala. Entrance of the village, there is a huge signboard saying that this is a Islamic village. Only the Islamic law applies here. Non-Muslims are discouraged from entering here.
Speech by Dr. Manmohan Singh that Muslims have the first right on resources.
Not true. Factually incorrect. Please read the speech.
It's lazy research. It's hard work to actually pull out the data and ask some serious questions.
Jai Shri Ram!
Exactly.
It's concerning when YouTubers support the ruling party's actions without questioning them, undermining their claims of impartiality. For instance, YouTubers like Abhi and Neo downplay controversies like the electoral bond issue.
क्या electoral bond scam है? The answer is no.
Arguing it isn't a scam simply because the Supreme Court didn't label it as such.
अगर आप सुप्रीम कोर्ट की फाइनल जजमेंट पढ़ेंगे तो आपको नोटिस होगा कि उन्होंने भी स्कैम इस शब्द का इस्तेमाल एक भी बार नहीं किया,
while simultaneously labeling the Delhi liquor issue a scam.
दिल्ली के सीएम अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को अरेस्ट किया गया है। लिकर पॉलिसी स्कैम केस में वो ईडी के हिरासत में है। लिकर स्कैम के इन्वेस्टिगेशन के लिए दिल्ली के लिकर स्कैम क्या इलेक्टोरल बॉन्ड्स अच्छे इंटेंशन से सामने लाए गए थे? The answer is also yes.
They also say that politics is bad, yet their selective criticism and lack of scrutiny towards the ruling party suggest a biased narrative that favors those in power, contributing to a one-sided portrayal of political events.
Politics is that useless and dirty of a space.
J. Sai Deepak, a prominent BJP spokesperson and Supreme Court lawyer, made controversial remarks on camera, suggesting 3 individuals should leave the country in response to a question by Ranveer Allahabadia.
3 Indians that should leave India and never return are
Barkha Dutt, Professor Irfan Habib, Romila Thapar.
He also boldly stated that Mahatma Gandhi was not deserving of the title Mahatma and was merely a politician.
I refuse to call him Mahatma. I've never called him Mahatma. I will not call him Mahatma. For me, he's just Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. I don't think you should deify someone so much. If Sri Rama can be criticized, why should Gandhi not be criticized? Is Gandhi bigger than Rama who he worshipped? He's not. And he was a politician, not a saint.
Such comments raise concerns about his judgment and respect for historical figures, undermining the principles of tolerance and diversity.
कौन है ये लोग? कहां से आते हैं?
Kapil Sibal corrected ANI anchor Smita Prakash during an interview for her inaccurate interpretation of the Congress manifesto.
Now you are first misinterpreting what Dr. Manmohan is saying, and then you are equating reservation with resources, which is factually incorrect, conceptually incorrect. In fact, there are 2 statements. One statement is priority of resources. The other statement is assets. Amit Shah ji is saying that the assets of the country will first go to Muslims, which is a blatantly false statement.
The Congress manifesto says that we believe now.
Show me. You
again,
just read it for me.
When the Congress manifesto,
please, before once you make that statement,
interpretation of that.
No. Now you have contradicted yourself. You said Congress manifesto says it. Now you say interpretation.
So, yes, because no. 1 minute. According to Chidambaram ji, he says CAA को हम हटा देंगे.
Now don't go to CAA. We'll come to CAA.
No,
first let's stick to that topic.
When you're talking about the manifesto.
Miss, you can't be interviewing me and changing topics. You
why
told
not?
me. You just said Congress manifesto says assets.
Manifesto talks about equitable distribution.
Of what?
I don't have
of what?
It at present.
Of assets.
Of equitable exact word.
One second. I'll tell you the words. Article 39 of the Constitution, 39B says, the resources of the community shall be so distributed as to subserve the common good. This is what the manifesto says.
What Prime Minister Modi said.
Prime Minister Modi is used to making statements which are far away from the truth. Prime Minister Modi also said that the Mangal Sutra of Hindu women will be given over and the assets will be taken and given to those who produce more children.
Sibal's correction exposed biased media support for the BJP government. This incident underscores the importance of unbiased journalism and factual reporting.
The Prime Minister is saying this because he wants votes on the basis of falsehood.
Okay.
Let me be clear on it. Nobody, no Congress manifesto says this, no Congress manifesto talks of it. I'm not a congressman. I'm an independent member of parliament.
Ranveer Allahabadia, another prominent YouTuber, has consistently supported the ruling party by conducting interviews with BJP leaders and disseminating misinformation without accountability.
There is a remote village in Malappuram in Kerala. Entrance of the village, there is a huge signboard saying that this is a Islamic village. Only the Islamic law applies here. Okay, non-Muslims are discouraged from entering here. Signboard in the village. It is on Indian soil, under the rule of Indian Constitution, subject to Indian laws. How do you explain this?
Such assertions lack verification and fuel divisive narratives. A large following doesn't justify spreading falsehoods. It's irresponsible and can exacerbate social tensions. Kirtika Govindasamy is another figure contributing to this trend, framing stories as historical narratives. With unwavering conviction, she asserts India's superiority over other countries, often drawing from mythology for reference. However, such claims lack scholarly backing and can distort historical understanding, emphasizing the importance of critical analysis in historical discourse. The BJP organized a National Creators Award, inviting YouTubers who promote RSS agendas, highlighting how the ruling party utilizes YouTube to manipulate public opinion.
सबको बस गंद फैलाना है, सबको बस कीचड़ उछालना है, किसी को प्रगति के बारे में बात ही नहीं करनी है. Congratulations!
Your feedback is valuable. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for future updates.